Now then, hey up me ducks, we are currently in Dodge Hill Air Raid Shelters, which is in Stockport. I'm with Exploring with Carl, who you've just seen at the entrance, and the Urban Legend UK. I shall drop a link to their channels in the description. Put it on wide, there we go. So this is my first time here. I know Carl's been here before and the Urban Legend's been here before, but this is my first time. The old bed frames there. Bit muddy here. Just another room. it does. Yeah, no, it goes over to the right. Yeah.
Some blocks over there.
Yeah. Right. Take your pick. Yeah. I'll see. Did you see that sleeping bag?
Yeah, some on the top there as well.
Is this? This might be where the toilets was. Where should I say? Let's check this. Yeah, this is where the toilet block is, Carl.
Oh right.
Yeah. Toilet blocks, guys. Yeah, all the toilet blocks.
Goes off to the left and right up there as well. What do you reckon these were for? They must have ordered something back in the day, mustn't they? Maybe lights or equipment or...
Yeah, but you got like pipes here though.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure, to be honest.
Well,
So-
I know they had the connect. Don't they got the bits of the leather thingy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where the wire went.
All the-
For the light.
for the cabling and stuff and lights and.
Yeah.
But all the, like you were saying, all the, can you see all those marks where they've chipped it away?
That's a good thing with some stuff, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's easy
it's easy to.
work with. Called Elson or Elson.
Yeah, it rings a bell.
Yeah.
Else, does anybody know what these old toilets used to be called? If you do, let me know in comments. Is it Elson toilets?
Yeah.
I think they still call them that because
Yeah.
camper vans and stuff use them. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. See, it goes up there as well.
I know. Oh, back to the scooter. Also, I've been that way, yeah. Oh, cool.
Where are we?
Did we come past the scooter, didn't we?
Yeah, because she was riding it.
We've been this way, haven't we?
Yeah, we came this way, didn't we?
Yeah, right.
So,
we'll go to that other bit. We've not been... Yeah, because there's that light.
We need a compass. Which way we're going, down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, easily get lost in here.
Oh, no, you come this way, don't you?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, watch that wall. Yeah, the people been spray painting certain words on the walls, so
Might bring it out detector down here.
because they know that
We might find small coins.
you might do, yeah. But yeah, we have to be careful when recording because people spray paint certain words, knowing that if you catch it on your video and you forget to edit it out, YouTube will take your video down. The swines.
Yeah. And cup handles.
I wonder
What's
how many.
that being broke?
I wonder how many cups of tea that's had in it. Aye.
I like looking about, you don't seem to find any more.
Yeah,
Space on the floor.
I know.
Some more cut there.
It would be. What do you think? Anybody? I know there's one metal detectorist who follows my channel. What do you think? Would it be worth bringing a metal detector down here, as Carl suggested? Old lantern there.
Oh yeah, lantern.
Not too bad.
You work down here?
Only when I'm filming.
What's your name?
Hi,
You're the legend, UK.
Yeah,
All
we just.
right, I'll put a link in the bottom of my video then. Check his channel out, people.
Exploring Carl.
There we go.
You okay?
We've got a couple of kids down here, haven't we?
I've not seen any in here before at the front, yeah.
Yeah, they came in now.
Oh, they came
3
in?
of them,
So again, as Carl, I will put the Urban Legend UK's link in the description.
Much appreciated. We'll do the thanks.
No worries, sir. No worries. It does look like a worker down here, though, don't it?
Cheese and chocolate.
yeah. Imagine the sirens going off.
I know.
Up there.
Yeah. Terrifying. Terrifying. Everybody rushing to get in. All these
Yeah.
beds.
Especially as Mancunians. That's why they said loads of Mancunians took over these
Right.
RH shelters.
Yeah. But just think, if every one of these beds, I mean, we've seen a lot of beds, every one of these beds would have been taken up with people.
Yeah.
And then no doubt the other spaces would have been full as well. I mean, I don't know how many thousands, I guess, maybe would have been down here. Terrifying. Look at that.
Been through there, have we?
No, we haven't.
That looks so good.
Yeah, we were just discussing, I mean, when these places were full, if there were any unruly people, did they stick them in another area, if like the drunkards and stuff?
I think they have these sort of like sections, didn't they?
Like
Like have maintenance as well, didn't they?
Yeah.
Had spades and stuff in there as well. Well, this looks interesting, doesn't it?
Yeah, I know, I've just seen that. Was that a dead end, or did it go?
I think we missed the turn into this one. With the double ones. This was it, wasn't it? Not been down there, have we?
No. I'll let you lead then, Carl, just in case there's a boogeyman at the end. Yeah, just imagine this. During the war when the bombs were dropping above their heads, this place being full of people, all these beds being taken up with people, hundreds, maybe even thousands of people down here.
God, what do you think then, the chocolate bars?
Carl's just found a vintage stash of
Right there,
junk food.
with the big whisper. Right, Walker's Monster Munch.
Is that Transformer snack?
See, some of these ring pulls are not that old, are they?
I don't know.
No, they're not the
Oh,
classic.
it looks modern to me, yeah.
not that classic.
Walker's Crisps, free Star Wars.
Well, they've had the right one.
Yeah. Yeah, we think that there's probably occasionally get...
Is that another lamp or do you still have that?
that's another one, yeah. Homeless people living down here, which I guess is ideal for, you know, if you've got nowhere else to stay. It's warmish and dryish.
Someone talking to you? What was that noise? Really?
Yeah.
Sound like someone with you.
Yeah, it won't, mate.
That was weird. What's that banging? That was weird.
It was just,
Sounded right next to you.
it was just behind me.
Yeah.
I think it's Will.
Like a wheel, right? Something like that.
Yeah, that's exactly what it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're hearing things now. I don't like to say too much about this because people accuse me of BSing, like just for the likes. Actually, yeah. When I was walking down,
We're always saying, did you hear about what we heard, aren't we?
just a minute ago, when I was walking towards this, and and Mr. Carl mentioned that. Did you guys pick anything up? Turn your volume up and let me know. I'm not, you know, we definitely hid something behind us.
We've been this way, have we? We don't
No,
remember seeing
we've not been past this
this way.
this old lantern here. Yeah, there's a
Possible
what's named
toilet.
toilet there, isn't
Yeah.
there? And then it looks, yeah,
Yeah.
we think
Probably about three,
probably
isn't it?
toilets, yeah.
Or maybe,
Yeah.
well, maybe for staff or something. Maybe two toilets, one.
Yeah, two.
And it's two sections there or something.
That's right. That would make sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not many toilets though. The few that we've come across, it's not many to say how many hundreds of people would have been down here, is it?
I wonder if they had something like fire buckets in them.
I don't know.
Because that's all that wood. Looks like it was like a wooden
Yeah.
cupboard.
There's definitely been. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
It's definitely a cupboard with something in
Again, these little alcoves. If anybody knows what they were, please let me know in the comments.
I'm sure we walked down that one, didn't we? I remember it being on that
I
side.
don't know. We're getting lost here.
That's a dead end.
Oh no, is that a bottle of Prime? Did we go, what way was we going to go down that way? Right.
Where have you gone?
Okay.
Oh, it's there.
Oh, they are. So, yeah, we just found the old entrance. Well, it went to wide again. The old entrance. And what was these? Were the balustrades or banisters, whatever you call them?
You can see the fittings there, the banisters.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, look at that going in there.
That's a
Oh,
good shot.
Roofs.
That's a good shot. Hold on.
This is where we have white fittings on the door for people racing. Come on now, how the tunnels now? Down the shelter now, come on.
No dawdling.
You don't get in them anymore, do you? That Paul starting
I
things.
don't know. I tried to, another word there, watch it right with Anders.
Yeah. Hear the birds.
So, yeah, that's the old entrance then, guys.
Who's in that house, kids?
Yeah, this place is pretty big. You could definitely get lost down here if you was, especially if you was on your own and you've not done it before. And the two chaps who I'm with, they've done it before, so they know their way around. But I don't, so that's why I'm sticking with Carl. So, just found some more toilets, another toilet block. Back onto wide. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, if anybody knows what those toilets are called, I think they still do use them, like in camper vans and stuff. I think it's, we seem to think it's Elson, is it? Let us know in the comments, is it Elson toilets? Which way did you go, Carl? Hey, all right. Like I said, I didn't fancy getting lost down here on my own. What's that? Yeah. Just a single room here. More of that black stuff on the Ceiling and on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, like I said, I ain't to sensationalise anything on this channel, but if you did hear that noise, let us know, that weird noise earlier on. It's very odd, that was.
On the next one. Bye from me. Bye from Sol.
Oi, oi!
I'll put the links in below.
Yeah. Hope you enjoy that one, guys. Don't forget to drop a like. As I said, links are in for these two handsome chaps for their channels. And please drop a like on mine. With that, I shall bid you adieu. Stay safe, stay sane, much love.
Let's go backwards, back left. Yeah.
As long as you don't land on your head.
Yeah.
That's the best way, not to land on your head.
Why would that backwards? Where's the hole?
I think so, is it? Probably, yeah, probably best way out that way, isn't it?
If you don't know where the hole is at your age, God help everyone.
See what I've got is with skateboarding pads on from today when I did skateboarding.
Oh, you're alright there. His knees look painful.
Do you want to borrow my skateboard pads?
I could do it. Right, I've got to find that bloody thing now on the wall.
You don't look comfy there.
Hey?
You don't look quite comfy there.
I'm not.
Well, at least you've got all your hair. It's not even very bold, is it? You
No.
kick it.
Not like you, Carl. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad.
I'm just going to drop.
Don't, it's slippy on there, be careful.
Yeah, if he holds onto the wall, he'll be alright once he's
I've
feet
done
down.
it.
He's done it. He's
Well
out.
done.
Right. Here's Carl.
Here, it's Johnny.
You forgot your bag already.
No, I'm going to get it in a minute.
I thought he was going to ask me to get it for him then.
Paul?
I'd have done it anyway for him, like, you know.
Cheers.
Yeah. Do you want me to film you getting out? Are you alright?
Once you're out, you can grab the camera if you want.
Okay. Easy does it.
With your shin pads. Right, let's get back up here and out, passing the camera once we're out. You want the light as well?
Yeah. So.
Oh, he's made it.
There he is. He's out.
Catch you all later. Bye bye.